Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, we're going to do a unboxing, but it's not a box. I bought stuff from Premier Yarns because I had this pop up in my messages from Premier Yarns. Free shipping over orders over $45. Yep. And I'll kind of tell you, I already have these in my stash, but this is what I got more of. I got more of the sweet roll fruits. I already had this in my stash. This is guava. But I think I might have gotten every other color, but maybe not. But I probably got a good chunk of all the other colors. So, scissors. We're going to try to open the bag without cutting any of the yarn, because that would suck. Alright. Alright. Let me put this down for a minute. Now some of these, oh, I did cut through the bag. So it's not, quite a bit I got two of. Alright, so as I said earlier, they are Premier Sweet Roll Fruits. Hey, I actually can do like one for you and one for me here. Here, do that. They are Premier Sweet Roll Fruits. It is 174 yards or 160 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It is 100% acrylic. It is a medium 4-weight yarn. The recommended knitting needle sizes is a US size 9 or 5.5 millimeter. Recommend a size eye hook for US or 9 or a 5.5 millimeter hook. You can machine wash warm, tumble dry. Let's see. And if you want patterns for inspiration, it goes to premieryarns.com. I have that. The color for this is blueberry. Yeah, I like these. So this one is blueberry. Right. I'm going to assume all my other yarns are going to be, they're the same size. So like it's just, I don't know, but this one that I already had is guava. And yep, they're the same specs. So this one is like, this is the one I had already. This one I had is guava. Alright, so I got two of those. Oh, let's see. Oh. Alright, so obviously, yeah, these are all the same specs. So we're going to have you look at that for a bit. I'm going to find the color. And that is, oh, this one's plum. So yeah, I guess they're fruits, right? Duh. Okay, this one's plum. Alright, oh, I could have showed you. That's, I guess when you knit it, that's what it's supposed to look like. And you got one, this is the one that's on plum. I don't know if there's a, I think there might be a couple where I only got one. But this one right here, pretty. This one is lime. Yeah, it is a soft, it's not super soft, but it's not super rough either. So it's definitely 100% acrylic yarn. All right. Oh, no, here's the other one. This is the second line. Okay, let's see. We still got a couple more. All right. Oh, I like this one. I don't know if I have a second one. Hold up. Oh, this looks like, I bet you, is it dragon fruit? Yeah, it is. It's dragon fruit because it looks like dragon fruit. Look at that. That is very nice. Let's see. Ooh, is this a banana? I'm gonna guess. It looks like a banana, right? You think it's a banana? It is. Oh, it's our first clue, right? It's a banana. Yeah, it's a banana. Then, oh, that's what that one design looks like. Oh, I don't think I showed you the dragon fruit. Oh, that's the dragon fruit one. That would look cool. Banana. Let's see what I got in here. Oh. Out of plastic. Oh, what do you think that one is? Huh? That's watermelon. That's watermelon. That's the watermelon colors. And where's that? There's the design for watermelon. And is this my last one? It is the last one. And this one, grapefruit? Is it grape? Nope. Well, I'm close. It's pink grapefruit. That is pink grapefruit. So. Alright. So that's what I got. All this. I don't know. I have to look to see if I got every single one. But yeah, I think I got two of. The only ones I don't have two of is the watermelon, pink grapefruit, the banana, and the dragon fruit. Oh, let's see, whose channel was I watching today? They had a bunch of amigurumi. I think it was No Catchy Name, maybe. Anyway, she was showing off all her amigurumi, and she had a banana. So this, I could use this one to make a banana. I suppose I could use any one of these to make some type of amigurumi fruit. But I think I'll try this one to make the banana. I'll have to go back to her channel because she said, I think she said this was there was a free pattern on Instagram. I will have to look at that up. So, okay. That is all I have. That's what I got from Premier Yarn. Because I got something, I knew I had this, I had this for before, and I liked this. I think I bought the Sweet Fruits off Amazon last year. I knew it was a good yarn, and I was like, let's get some more of it. So, coming up pretty soon, I did buy some Bag O' Day yarn that I think the internet's all going crazy, or at least the yarn community is going crazy for that. So I got a couple of those coming, and my plan for that, if it willing, I'm going to try it on my knitting machine. I suppose I can try some of these. Usually size 4 yarn is hit or miss on the knitting machine. Depends on the yarn. So anyway, I do have a tutorial with this. I made the corner to corner bobbles blanket. I did a swatch with one of these. So now that I got a whole bunch of these, I might make a bigger version of that. Maybe. I still might use this to make the banana. All right, enough babbling by me. If you did like this yarn haul, please give it a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.